I think needs to be updated is these hard plastics. So don't get me wrong, these are of very good quality, but whenever the car goes into any pothole or uneven road surfaces, these hard plastics make a lot of noise. So if Skoda can figure out some way to fix this hard plastic creaking noise issue, that would be addition to a very good user experience or driving experience.